It has been nearly 5 years since Dylan Redwine disappeared and 4 years since his remains were discovered.
Now his father has been arrested for his murder. The 13-year-old boy went missing during a court-ordered visit with his dad, who lived in Bayfield near Durango. Dylan's remains were found over the next few years within a few miles of his father's house. Our Dominic Garcia live tonight at CBI headquarters with the new developments. Dominic, you also talked with a legal expert about this case.
And Jim, it was the CBI that initially processed Dylan's remains. A few years later, his father was named as a person of interest in this case, and today his bail was set at $1 million. But this is just the beginning of a very long process.
Mark Redwine, 17-1.
Mark Redwine may be behind bars, but this case, one that has dragged on for 5 years now, is far from over.
What it says is that it's going to be a difficult case.
Legal analyst Karen Steinhauser says prosecutors have their work cut out for them, considering this is a circumstantial case.
We don't have what we refer to as the smoking gun. We don't have an eyewitness. We don't have somebody who can say, I saw the two of them together.
Mark Redwine faces a second-degree murder charge and child abuse charges in the death of his son Dylan after a grand jury indicted him.
It's an indictment where the grand jury has said, we find that there is probable cause to believe that the defendant committed these charges. It is a far cry from proof beyond a reasonable doubt.
Redwine still needs to be extradited to Colorado, and Steinhauser says many other issues could delay any sort of trial. A big one will be, where will they hold the trial?
Issues around whether there's going to be a change of venue, given how small the county is, given how many people may know his father, may know the defendant. So I believe that this case is going to be a long time before we ever get to a jury.
Now, during Redwine's court appearance, extradition was not discussed. When it is, of course, he'll have two options: to waive it or to fight it. His next court appearance will be August 18th. In Lakewood, Dominic Garcia, CBS 4 News.
Thank you, Dominic.